everyone, I am here at IFFE Expo 2024 at Ajay Syscon Limited, and with me is Mr. Prithviraj Sawan, the director of the company. Let us hear from him about the company. May I know what is Ajay Syscon about? As we all know that we are into manufacturing of foundry equipments or like foundry products. So can you please explain it more?
Basically, Ajay Syscon is in the field of foundry instrumentation, steel plant instrumentation. We are into niche product range of chemical composition measurement of molten metal as well as temperature measurement of molten metal. In addition to that, now we have started developing the displays for spectrometer, the charge calculation addition softwares for a spectrometer. Then we have now developed the spectrometer itself, and we have launched this spectrometer recently, adding product range to our basket so that we can give complete solution to the foundries and steel plants. That is the purpose. This company was started way back in 1986 with the help of Syscon International, which is American company. Our parent company, Ajay, was into metallurgical chemicals. So this group was founded by Mr. Madhav Pawar, who happens to be elder brother of Sharad Pawar. Mr. Madhav Pawar was metallurgist by qualification. He worked with companies like Foseco as chief chemist in England as well as India, and then he started on his own. And as natural expansion of the product range of metallurgical chemicals, he's ventured into metallurgical instrumentation, and that's how Ajay Syscon was started. Long back in 1986. Now almost we have completed 38 years in this business, and we are doing well. Now we are catering to almost 834 customers in India and around say 112 customers abroad. We are having presence in almost all continents of the world.
With our products, how we are helping this industry?
End users of the castings like Mahindra and Mahindra, Tata Motors, Cummins, you name any end user of the castings. So they rely on the castings quality, and we play a crucial role in that because temperature determines aesthetic wise as well as the internal defects of the castings. So defects like blowholes, cold shut, so these are avoided by using our temperature measuring instruments. Chemical composition decides hardness and tensile strength of the casting. That's why they are important. Even though spectrometer has come into picture, still people rely on thermal analysis, our instrumentation, and that's the beauty of this instrumentation. BMW, they are insisting to use the thermal analysis technique to measure the carbon and silicon, because carbon and silicon measured by our instruments is more reliable as compared to spectrometer, and that is now accepted worldwide.
That's really great.
Yeah, so and we are in, despite of having this instrumentation for last say 35-40 years, because we brought these digital instruments to India, because at that time in 1980s people, this foundrymen, they used to measure this carbon silicon by plotting the curve on Honeywell recorders. So we brought this digital instruments to India, and that's how Indian foundries started using this ferrolabs. And so right now when people use the CE meter, they call it ferrolab, even whether they are using of Ajay Syscon or our competitors. So it's like Colgate.
How this expo is helping you? What kind of response you are getting?
Visitors footfall is more. Okay, they have changed the location also, and most probably because of the change in location, as well as they have reached to the foundries, then other
tools,
and they have done a lot of advertisements, and because of that the footfall is more. So we happen to meet a lot of customers as well as those foundries which are not our customers. So that is very big benefit for us.
Fortunately.
Yeah.